theorem 6.3. And what theorem is saying? That if transversal intersect two lines, here it is saying simple line, it is not parallel, and the transversal is intersecting to it. Okay, so right here line A, B, C, D, transversal M intersecting at point R to AB and to CD on point Q. Such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So here suppose that ARQ, this one ARQ and RQD, they are equal. It is saying from the question, I am not saying by my own. Okay, it is given in the theorem that one alternate interior angle pair is equal. So right here given that what is given here, that angle one pair of alternate interior angle is equal to U. So here angle ARQ is equal to angle RQD. It is given to you. Okay, to prove the things which you want to prove. So to prove that lines AB and CD, they are parallel to each other. This thing you want to prove. So here line that AB parallel CD, that you want to prove. It is the converse of a 6.2 theorem. You can see in theorem 6.2 we have proved that alternate interior angles pairs are equal when the lines are parallel. Now here we want to prove if alternate interior angles are equal, so on the line on which they are formed, their lines are parallel. Okay, so here to prove AB parallel CD. Now proof. From this diagram, from the given, which is what is given to us, right? First, that angle ARQ is equal to angle RQD. Given. It is given. To write the reason given. Okay. And give equation 1. Then from here you can see that angle RQD and angle RQD and angle CQS. Understood? That angle RQD and angle CQS, they are a vertically opposite angle pair. So they are also equal. We have already shown in the previous time. Before the starting of a class, I explained you the corresponding angles also. So they are equal. So here angle RQD is equal to angle CQS. Why? Because they are forming vertically opposite angles. So they are also equal. Give equation 2. Okay. Now compare equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 you can conclude that angle RQD, it is equal to CQS and it is also equal to ARQ. So automatically that ARQ and CQS will also equal to each other. So right here from equation 1 and 2, angle ARQ is equal to angle CQS. And from the figure you can see that ARQ and CQS, they are forming letter F. See here. The thing which you got here, ARQ, this is ARQ, okay, and CQS, they are equal. From here we got ARQ equal to CQS, and from the figure you can see they are forming a corresponding angle pair. So if corresponding angle pairs are equal, so line are also parallel to each other. So right here they are, so they are forming corresponding angle pair. Therefore AB parallel to CD. Okay, understood? Do you have any confusion? Just see the theorem again, and if you are having any difficulty throughout this theorem, ask me now. Okay, take your time. Ask, do you have any difficulty? So theorem 6.2 and theorem 6.3, both of these theorems are clear to you. What the things we need to prove and what the things we are which are given to us, that are understood to you. Okay, thank you, beta. Now let's move on to theorem 6.4. Theorem 6.4, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Okay. साफ नहीं हो रहा बोर्ड है ना. So theorem 6.4, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, here lines are parallel and transversal intersecting. Give it name A, B, C, D, M, R, Q, here S. Okay. Then each pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. Here the given thing is that AB parallel to CD and MS it's transversal line MS. Oh, okay, line MS. And the thing which you want to prove that each pair of a interior angle is supplementary, and supplementary means the sum of two angle will be equal to 180 degree. So yes, angle ARQ and angle RQC, they are interior angles. So we have to prove that their sum is equal to 180 degree. So, because it is written there, they are supplementary, and the term supplementary means the sum will be equal to 180 degree. So right here that angle ARQ plus angle RQC equal to 180 degree. Okay, this we want to prove. Now let's move on to proof. Now here you can see that this हाँ क्या So here, now you can see that ARQ and CSQ, they are equal. Why they are equal? Why they are equal? This ARQ and CQS, they are equal. So why they are equal? Can you tell me why they are equal? Just write why they are equal, that angle ARQ and angle CQS. Why they are equal to each other? Answer me better. I I am not getting your point. Why they are equal, that angle ARQ and angle CQS. These two angles. Why they are equal? Huh? So why they are equal? I am asking you. They are equal. I am saying you they are equal. So why they are equal? Answer me. Because they are forming a corresponding angle. See here, letter F is forming here. Here, F. You are getting letter F. And inside F, this angle and this angle, they are equal. So they are forming an F. It means they are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. So right here, that angle ARQ is equal to angle CQS. Now why they are equal, again tell me? Why they are equal? Okay, they are a corresponding angle. Very good, beta. See, now give equation 1 and write here corresponding angle. Okay, now the given things here, that AB, CD, or whatever. Now here, see, that angle CQS and angle CQR. These two angles, I am talking about that one and that two. Which two angles are they? Angle CQS. See the here in the diagram. Are you able to see the diagram from the blackboard? They are a linear pair angle. Very good. Who answered? Okay, so they are a linear pair angle. So their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So right here that angle CQS plus angle CQR equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angle or straight angle you can write, whatever. So linear pair angle. Give equation 2. Understood? Now here you can see that ARQ is equal to CQS. ARQ is equal to CQS. And here you are again getting CQS. So in place of this CQS, can we write ARQ? They are equal. So in place of this CQS, can we write ARQ? Yes, we can write. So right here that from equation 1 and equation 2. Angle ARQ plus angle CQR is equal to 180 degree. Why we are using that? Because from equation 1, that angle I am writing here, that from equation 1, angle ARQ is equal to angle CQS. So here you can see that we have proved ARQ angle plus angle RQC or CQR, both are same, is equal to 180 degree. So right here, hence proved. So the interior angles or co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay. So do you have any confusion? Do you have any confusion? All of you, are you able to hear me? Up to here, up to theorem 6.4. All of you. Having any confusion regarding the concept of corresponding angle, interior angle, alternate angles, and the theorems which I have explained you over here. So shall we move on to theorem 6.5? Theorem 6.5. So if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Here question is saying that if interior angles are supplementary, the lines are parallel. That we need to prove. Okay. So now here, see here. First off the board. Okay, theorem 6.5. If a transversal intersect two lines, here is two lines and transversal intersecting to them. It is your theorem 6.5. Theorem 6.5. So A, B, C, D, here P, Q, R, and then S. Okay. So what the things which are given to us, that the pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. That is given to us. So right here in given portion, that angle AQR plus angle CRS is equal to 180 degrees. Supplementary means the sum is equal to 180 degree. Then to prove the things which you want to prove, so to prove that AB parallel to CD. Now proof. These things we need to prove that if angles are supplementary angles, so the lines are parallel. These things we need to prove here. So right here, see in the diagram that AQR plus angle CRS is equal to 180 degree. Equation 1. Okay, it is given there. Okay, you can see that it is given there. Now you can see that angle CRS and angle CRQ. See here, these two angles. What they are forming? What they are forming? They are forming a linear pair angles. So their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So right here again that angle CRS plus angle CRQ again 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angle. Give equation 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 you can see that its right hand side is equal. If right hand side is equal, so left hand side is also equal. So right here that angle AQR is plus angle CRS equal to angle CRS plus angle CRQ from equation 1 and 2. Now see here in angle CRS, here in this line. Now transpose angle CRS to there on the right hand side. What you will get, that angle, this will be here only, that angle CRS. Now I am transposing this CRS to here. So what? Its sign will be changed. It will become minus CRS, angle CRS, plus angle CRQ. Now they get cancelled. Okay. So what things you get here? You will get here that angle AQR is equal to angle CRQ. Okay. Now see here. Now you will answer me that AQR, this one, okay? AQR and CRQ, this. What they are forming? That angle AQR, this angle AQR and angle CRS. What they are forming? Corresponding angles. So they are equal. Something is wrong. AQR, CRS, CRS and CRQ. A, see यहाँ AQS and CRS. Here CRQ. Here CRQ. Okay, not CRS. CRQ. Uh, CRQ. So you will get CRS. Okay. Now here CAQR and CRS, they are forming a corresponding angle. So they are equal if the pair of a corresponding angles are equal. So the lines are parallel to each other. So again you write here, you will write here, okay, that they are forming a corresponding angle pair. They are forming a corresponding angle pair. Therefore, AB parallel to CD. That thing you will write by yourself. Now up to here, do you have any confusion? All of you, do you have any confusion? Understood the theorem? Or should I explain you again? Okay. So up to here, you just note down in a copy. Okay. And nobody is sending homework to me in my personal number. Till now, I didn't get any homework from your side. Whatever you are doing in your fair copy relating with chapter 6, send me to my personal number. This is my 4th class and no one sent me any type of a homework. So today onwards, I want the homework from each and everyone. Okay? Okay? Now nobody is answering. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Extend किए हमने